Family and domestic violence. Family and domestic violence is an issue that is unfortunately present in our society. With more awareness and further, more in-depth education for future generations, we as a society can hopefully reduce the rate at which family and domestic violence occurs. So what does family and domestic violence mean? Family and domestic violence is behavior that is violent, threatening, aggressive, controlling, or intended to cause family or household member to be fearful. Family and domestic violence is unacceptable. Alarming statistics on domestic and family violence in relation to children. Exposure to domestic violence is a recognized form of child abuse. Childhood exposure to intimate partner violence increases a child's risk of developing mental health, behavioural, and learning difficulties. 1 in 4 Australian children are exposed to domestic violence. The most alarming statistic of them all. Domestic and family violence on average increases 1.5% per year. How are we as a society going to work towards reducing family and domestic violence? How does family and domestic violence affect you and your peers? Children witnessing the violence inflicted on their mothers often show behavioural and emotional problems. Stopping family and domestic violence takes the whole society, and it starts with younger generations learning about the widespread impact it has. Play an active role in stopping family and domestic violence if you're aware of it occurring. Inform somebody to help, like your teacher, a trusted adult, the school counsellor, or there are many hotlines that you can call, as you'll see later in the slideshow. By doing this, you can help stop the negative effect it has on children. Often, behavioural and emotional impacts of domestic violence will improve when children and their mothers are safe and the violence is no longer occurring. Creating awareness. In groups of 3, you're going to create an awareness campaign against family and domestic violence. Points you should consider when creating your campaign are: what is the problem? How bad is the problem? How does it affect children? Why should the public be interested? How will you help? And what other help is available? Here are some helpful links that you should consider while creating your campaign.